This is Miss V with What's Hot and What's Not, topics in multicultural psychology. When we last left off, we were discussing a biracial couple where the husband was white and the mother was African American, the wife, and they had two children. And the husband wrote into me and was requesting my advice because his wife came from a long line of people who believed in whipping children. In our last segment, I discussed the difference in the horizontal and the vertical stressors in psychology. Now, today, I would like to address the father's concern. Now, in psychology, it's a part of classical conditioning, which dates all the way back to Pavlov and the classical conditioning and Skinner. Well, Watson came up with behavioral conditioning. And today we're going to address what we call positive and negative reinforcements. But before we continue, I would like to say that not all African American families believe in spanking or corporal punishment. As a matter of fact, in the final segment of this, we will discuss parenting styles. So back to the classical or operative or behavioral conditioning. Reinforcements. There are two types of reinforcements. There is what we call in psychology a positive reinforcement, which means that we add something to the person or the child to get the expected result. For example, if let's say that the son does not want to keep his room clean, which most kiddos don't. So, in order to get him to keep his room clean, something is added. For example, now not only does he have to keep his room clean, but he has to take out the trash, for example. Now, this is adding something to the behavior, thus hoping that the son will say, I really don't like taking out the trash, so therefore let me go ahead and just keep my room clean. Now, on the reverse of that is negative reinforcement, where you take something away. So say that your teenager stays on their cell phone all the time, so they don't clean up. By taking the cell phone away, you are expecting the desired behavior that they will keep their room clean in order to be rewarded with their cell phones again. And we will get into more of the positive negative reinforcements because it sounds like to me that the dad is pulling towards that direction as far as discipline when it comes to the children. And for now, we will call it a day, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel, and you could also leave your comments on my website, which is kvmotivationalcorpspeaker.com. And until our next session, I look forward to speaking with you again.